Welcome everyone. So when I went down to my local B&M, so this was in Trent Vale on Stoke-on-Trent, they were actually unpacking the spring furniture, so I thought we'd take a look around. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So just starting at the beginning with this Rattan set. Now, like I've mentioned, they were actually unboxing these, so they hadn't got the prices out. I asked how much all the items were. This particular one was $349, and just at the back of it, so this grey set just here, that was also $349. Just to mention, that does come with the small table. Now this is £150 for this swing set. I really like this. I think it's called an egg set, I believe. And these sets here are £250, and that includes the small coffee table as well. All cushions, £8, several different varieties in stock. I really quite like the look of the tropical style ones. I think that would fit in my garden. Lovely. Again, another set there, £250, includes the coffee table set, and another $250 set just there. Now, the large pergola, I did have to ask again, that was £150, and that comes with the sail, retractable sail, so on a nice day you can pull that back and give yourself some shade. Larger set then, £450, that includes the coffee table as well and the smaller built-in table with the glass top just there. So the 6-seater glass top table for £150, and then moving round to the all wooden set, so the 4-seater for £250. Moving on to like the rattan style for £45. There's 3 different colours, and I quite like these. I need to find a spot in my garden somewhere. I do feel that's pretty decent value. So starting from £15 all the way up to £30, depending on the style. I've got 4 different chairs, so you can obviously mix and match these in with whatever furniture you currently have. Now, according to the lady, she did tell me that they're getting the furniture out all the time. There's lots more to come out yet, so within the next week or so, you should be able to see the full range here at B&M. And then finishing the vlog outside with a couple of wooden benches, £99 there. And then moving on to a picnic bench for £129. There we have it. I hope you enjoyed it. Really quick look at what they've got in stock so far. But one of the members did tell me that they've got loads more things which are actually still coming out. So hopefully we'll get that on the channel as well. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below. It helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do, right? But until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.